Hi, welcome to Bit.ai, the most powerful wiki and document collaboration platform on the planet. In this video, we're going to teach you how to format your text in your Bit document. We've made formatting text really easy. Our goal is to help you save time and resources so that you can focus on your work and leave it to Bit.ai to assist in making your documents impactful and beautiful. Here are 4 important steps to help you format your text perfectly. Tip 1. It all starts with our simple toolbar. Once you add text, simply highlight your text to activate the editor toolbar. You can also convert your text into heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. Or you can change it back to paragraph size. You can choose from options such as bold, italics, and strike-through. Create bullet lists, numbered lists, or even checklists that you can check and uncheck. Great for your to-do lists. You can add a hyperlink to your text, and you can search by your subpages to interlink across your wiki, or you can create a brand new subpage. You can highlight your text pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, or gray. You can add inline comments and mention a collaborator. Tip 2. Go to a blank line and type /. You'll see a menu appear where you can quickly type any widget name and you'll see the results show. Click on the option or use your arrow keys to select the right option and hit enter. Your formatted block will display so that you can get to work. This is the fastest way to insert pre-formatted blocks. Tip 3. Keyboard shortcuts and Markdown. Learning Bit's keyboard shortcuts will open up more doors for formatting options. Click on the question mark on the left sidebar and a chat widget will open up. Here you can select keyboard shortcuts. Here you'll find shortcuts to do undo, redo, shift-enter for line breaks, heading options 1 through 6 to get large to small text, subscripts and superscripts, and much more. For example, let's say that you want to undo a change that you just did on a document. You can click on Command-Z on Apple devices or Control-Z on PC devices. Similarly, you can also use your shortcuts to create headers in 6 different sizes. Type hash plus space to create heading 1. Type hash twice and space creates heading 2. Hash 3 times plus space creates heading 3. Hash 4 times plus space creates heading 4. Hash 5 times plus space creates heading 5. Hash 6 times plus space creates heading 6. We highly encourage you to explore keyboard shortcuts for more advanced text formatting options. Now for our last tip. Tip 4. Customize fonts, themes, and colors. One of the best ways to format your documents is to customize the design. To do that, click on the settings wheel on the top right bar. A slider will appear. Click on the Design Document option. Here you can choose theme colors and see it instantly update your headings, tables, hints, hyperlinks, and much more. You can also choose custom fonts for your headings and for your body fonts. And lastly, you can choose between different theme options and update the look of your page. And that's it. Formatting Bit documents is easy. Share this video with your collaborators and have fun bringing your team and clients into the future with BitDocs. To learn more about Bit.ai, go to our Bit Academy. Bit.ai, the most powerful wiki and document collaboration platform on the planet.